Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So we're on our latest project here in Manhattan Beach, California. We're going into 2022 and it seems that the drought has not let up. And they're actually calling this a mega drought, meaning it's going to go into multi-year. We don't want to run out of water, so we need to conserve water. But conserving water means making sacrifices. What's going to happen though in the future? Nobody knows. Well, fortunately, the last drought we had, it ended, but it's back. We have multi-years of not having a lot of water. So the long story short is, the fact that there's a drought, does that mean that we stop living? Does that mean that we take our lawns out? Not necessarily. I'd like to introduce you to something called our latest project. This is No-Mow, so you don't mow it. So you know, you tell the gardener you could take weeds out, trim bushes, trim trees, but you're not going to mow the lawn. And there's a new law in in California. They're outlawing small gas engines. That means lawnmowers. And so, what's a gardener to do? I mean, bring a couple of goats and cut your lawn? No. It means that you need to either pull out your grass that needs to be cut and put in native plants, or do the native no-mow lawn. So this is a choice. There is an alternative. If you do want grass, if you do want lawn, there is an alternative, and this is it. For more information, contact us. Our website is Enviroscape LA, or phone number 310-420-8507. Thanks for joining us. Take care.